What's going on, friends and fam? Here we are. Market was down. It was a slammer bammer day. We're still here in the zone, auto zone, and we did hit under the 30 RSI to be of note, which is one of the stipulations for the screener. So let's check out the brokerage account. And wait a minute. Whoa, hey, we sold stock today. Remember, the stock market does not have to go up for you to make money. Say it again. The stock market does not have to go up for you to make money. So let's get our spreadsheet up to date. We have Leggett here on a buy side, $9.83. Just a little mini order, but we stayed in the system. Here we have AUB for 34.14. And we hit SM at 28.69, which is this little merger. And then this one I had to put 2 shares because we ended up with a weird number. So 28.69 times 2 is 57.38. Because it should have said 4 shares. See, right here. So we've got our entries, and this will be something where, some corporate action happened is something that I don't watch the news or whatever, so I'm a little susceptible in my strategy for something like that to happen that maybe other people could know is kind of coming up, and they could, decide to not get in a particular stock. But I've limited my success my whole life, so I refuse to do it for the rest of my life. I just go. All right, so as we check it out, we now are up to $50.28. What a month, and we still have another week left to go. We're going to look at long-term charts. We're going to follow our trading plan, but another $17.97 here, and we will be all in with the public investing account, and we'll move to every $50 of trading profits, move a 25 in because the robot investor takes 25 and automatically deploys it, and I like that. So we'll do that. But as you can see, we have cash now. We have $153.36. So we got to follow our trading plan. What's the first step? Market up or down? The market was down. So now we look to buy stocks in our portfolio from smallest equity to largest equity. So we're looking for leg. You can see tons of stocks on the screener today. That is another indicator. You'll see double this or more in a real panic, but still quite a few today. I'm not going to undersell it. All right, we've got awesome PEs, dividends, debt's high, but it's within range, 9.55. So I'm going to take $26 divided by 9.55. 26 is 1% of my total account. So I want to keep position sizing to under 1% of my total account. So 9.55 times 2 shares is going to be 19.10. Pretty simple. Yeah. So LEG. We're going to add. I'm not saving any money either. I'm not scared of anything. Even with no deposit, kind of a mock to show you guys what it's like living on a brokerage account that does not have a deposit. It's very scary. It can be, but you build faith and conviction as you go through the process. So here we have NOG and Gentex. Gentex on there. NOG, no. Kind of fell off. Probably got some kind of problems with the business, but the screener keeps me safe from buying a lot of percentage of my money into these companies that are having troubles. I want them to start going up first. Here we have PEs under 15. We've got the dividends and no debt, 2070. Stock continues to fall from when we originally got in. That doesn't bother me a bit. Remember, we are using the exact same dollars we had invested in another company just yesterday. That is the power of the strategy. So we're going to cancel the sell order. And we'll add one. Limit order, good till cancel, extended hours. Checking the confirmation screen there. All right. We have $100 left. We have AEO, American Eagle. Oh, she's running slow. If you would leave me a like on the video, make sure you're subscribed and share this with your friends. I'm trying to make this one quick. It's Friday, and I've got other things I would like to do. But people make time for things that are important to them. This is very important to me. All right. PEs and forward PEs, if you take an average, it's under 15. We got the dividends, and that is reasonable. So 1722. We'll check her again. See if we can splice this up. 1822. $96. Now we have ABM. So I don't know if I'll lose you guys again or not, but we're giving it a good try here. ABM. Everything looks good here. 37.39. She's going a little slow, but we'll get there. Limit order, good till cancel with the extended hours. Send it. And we got to fill. Awesome. We have $58 left. Looks like LAZ. Next one. Everything looks good here as well. 39 and a quarter. I'm going to order good till cancel with the extended hours. All right, we ship it. Nice fill. Now we have $19.70. So as we look at the rest of the stocks we own, we don't have anything that low. We'll do a quick look here, see if there's something we can buy off the screener, and put the money in. And if not, that's all right. But usually there's something. Already got leg. An American Eagle. Dynex. Mortgage REIT. So we're looking for debt. There's the debt. Yep. Probably not that far out of line, but it just doesn't fit my system. And I don't play around with it. Energizer has crazy debt too. Yep, look at that. Not down to play the debt game. Here we have Ellington. We've done this one before. Look at that debt. Nope. The debt's over 4. 4 is still crazy amounts of debt. I mean, 4 is not a little bit amount of debt. It's huge. We have OGN for $6 and $8, and we can get into this stuff. Debt. Look at the debt. And that's the reason why a lot of these companies are going down, because they're going to raise interest rates. And all these companies that have all this debt have to figure out how they're going to refinance it. And it'll put a lot of companies out. Debt over 4. But I'm still doing my due diligence, trying to get, through the list, see if there's anything I can do here. We got another mortgage REIT. Debt's under 4. Bada bing, bada boom. TRTX. I'm just going to follow the plan, No overthinking it. No, well, maybe we should. No. Maybe we should just follow the plan. 783. I'm going to buy 2 of them, because that's all the money we have. We don't have enough money to buy any more than that. 1566. Is that right? Yeah, 783, yep. Come on, man. I hate being poor. I do. Oh, I hate it. 783 limit. Good till cancel with extended hours. 783, that's right. So as you can see, we got $4 left. I'm not chasing that. But we did have some fill, so we'll be able to do a video after midnight or tomorrow or Sunday before 8 p.m. And we'll get things popping. Big picture as we close the video out. Get rid of this stupid thing. It kills my computer. It's very hard on my computer, but it's very, very good for my pocketbook. So It's a good trade-off. Remember, at the end of the week, I always like to check the weekly. Take a step out. Stop looking at one tree. Let's see the forest. And you can see it's rolling over. Next huge layer of spores will be down here. You have other ones, little ones around here, but this is kind of the range. That's what people are saying, all the way down to 600. But, you got one here, a little one. You got this one here. If you look at the monthly, though, because we only have one more week, it's pretty obvious where this green line is. Has another layer. So we'll see. Nobody knows what will happen in the market, so don't forget that. But we got a trading plan. We didn't hold anything back. The markets are bullish more than they're bearish, so we're playing the odds. Be aggressive with very safe stocks in very good positions where they are worth more money than what we buy them for. But all that, stacking the odds, all that in our favor, does not mean the stocks will go up. So keep your mental about you. Let me know if you need anything. Make sure you're subscribed. Share this video with anybody who asks you for money, and leave me a like, please. Also remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. I'm just doing the stuff as a regular guy, but I kill the markets pretty consistently. And yeah, I think you can too. So, but you have to make your own decisions. If you got to consult somebody, do that. And we're going to cut it off here. So thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.